One of the main distinguishing features of the Naval Postgraduate School is that we're set up here with staff and facilities that allow you to experiment, to rapidly prototype, to generate a solution in a lab-based, hands-on environment that is specifically focused for a DoD application.
What NPS offers is that unique combination, that unique blend of learning that is tailored to what the military needs, as well as a general education. By focusing on defense-relevant topics, our students are able to not only get an advanced degree, they're able to have that focus that allows them to be successful when they go back to their service.
What we do here in this small satellite lab at NPS is we construct and integrate spaceflight hardware. We test it and put it through all the motions of any sort of rigorous spacecraft development program. We offer opportunities to our students to touch those various parts of the mission for their research. And so while the faculty members here provide the continuity on these projects, we fold in the students as they come and give them experience on a particular aspect of those flights.
When you come here and you're able to actually build something, you're seeing the impact of your work and seeing something from design to prototype to actually being able to fly it or get it out into space. It gives you a different type of ownership and gives you a different type of understanding of what's going on and how a student would directly impact the future of the technologies and the future of warfighting.
To be able to work on something that actually going to orbit has been a great experience for me. NPS is unique in that ability to train students in a manner that gets them up to speed very quickly, enables them to apply the theory that they've learned here.
Education, especially at the graduate level, plays into the innovation piece of that puzzle because you're not just learning the material, you're learning how to use the material, synthesize it, and so it gives them the skill set to think outside the box.
One of the things that the Naval Postgraduate School and the Space Systems Academic Group in particular seeks to do is to be relevant in the present day. So we bring these students in to do project-based learning that is typically of direct relevance, either to things they've seen in the fleet, things that may be a problem in the fleet in the near future, and sometimes it's in the far future. And a number of innovations have come out of the Naval Postgraduate School in that regard across the campus.
One of the major shifts we saw is in the national defense strategies when we shifted to the space-based domain as an operational domain. And really what that means for us is that we're focusing our technology and our research on being able to operationalize space, and as we become more dependent on space and protecting our capabilities that are enabled through space, that's really the focus of the research here.
Everything that we're doing here is 100% transferable. All the skills that we're putting to use here, and even the design portions, the program management aspect to it, all the nuts and bolts, the math, the science, that all feeds into it. And that curriculum here really give you the tools to be successful.
The Space Systems Engineering program here was very broad and comprehensive, and it helped dial in a lot of my understanding behind what we do every day.
Coming out of here with a robust toolbox of technical capabilities that's enabled by the faculty and institution of the Naval Postgraduate School, and having that solid faculty that is the continuing thread of research applied to students to give them that technical foundation is really the magic of the Naval Postgraduate School.
So you bring science, technology, experience, and a collective sense that we are bringing to the nation, to the military, to the warfight, and to all of our mission sets, this sense of purpose, knowledge, and the willingness to lead.